Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my fellow traders, my students, and all my subscribers. I greet you all. It's been a while. I made a video analysis. Since are not well with me this time around, I lost my mom. My mom has been sick for a long time now, and we are going from one hospital to the other, trying to get her well, but eventually she died 3 days ago. That's last Wednesday, Ash Wednesday. We buried her the following morning on Thursday. So the funeral rites are coming at the end of April. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. So today I tried to cover some pace. From tomorrow on, I'll try to do more. Let's go to business. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Telegram channel where we render more free services. Where you can also join. Students group to learn how to trade by following the wave analysis, either Elliott Wave or other wave patterns. Okay, let's start. Today I cover mainly pound space because I just returned from my village today. I need to rest, and now it's 11:43 p.m. So it's midnight already. So this is USDCAD, and this is 4 hours chart. This has been an old chart, so the last time I made analysis, the price was here, and I suggested that it will further go down, and it is going down. Though I don't expect this sharp move up, but nevertheless, market can react in any way. So I expect maybe a pullback towards this box and continue going down. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3. This 4 gonna get here, 5. Then this may end here or even come deep again before going down. That's USDCAD 4 hours. Then Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still going up. Bitcoin is one of the greatest surprise I have seen since I started trading. Nevertheless, I thought the Bitcoin will go down from 50,000 and or thereabouts. So, but from what I'm seeing now, we will likely get to 60,000. All I know, and all I keep telling people, this is not a good time to buy Bitcoin. Okay, because the price is high. Just an advice: if you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy. But for me, as long as I don't get this type of retracement or even a deeper one, I will not buy. Okay. Even if it goes to 100,000, there's no problem. All what matters in trading is the principle and the strategy. My strategy is that I cannot buy Bitcoin on this high price. I have to wait for a reasonable retracement. Okay. Ethereum. I tried to count wave on Ethereum. You can see wave 3, ABC, wave 4, and wave 5 is developing. Inside wave 5, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, inside this 3, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is A, B, C, 4, then 5. Now this wave 5. We might get a triangle or some other pattern. But what I'm trying to say that this place is where 5 or 5. We may get corrective move, then a sharp move again. Maybe the last sharp move will happen after a correction, and after that we will likely have a good selling, A, B, C. Okay, so let's keep watching what price is doing. Okay, pounds dollar, this is a daily candle. It's almost in all my past videos, so I'm not gonna take time here, but pounds dollar is still going up. Let's go to the time frame to see it. So I expect pounds dollar to come up to this level, 1.409, 1.433 area before we have a selling. Because if you take a look at what's happening here, if you take a look, you can see that is going impulsively, but the impulses are not sharp because of the way it is moving here. I expected a sharp drop, but it keeps going up, going up, going up. So here I expect a correction, maybe little one or bigger one, then another move up. The move up might be at the end of the impulse temporarily. From here we want to get a sell, but if you get a correction from this very line, definitely we will come to this very place. Keep watching, but for you to buy, make sure that you get a correction before you buy. Don't just enter here unless it's according to your strategy. But for me, I like to buy when there is correction, because when this type of thing happens, that's where I would like to buy. When this type of thing happens, that's where I would like to buy. So if I get a similar thing, maybe something like this from here, then I can buy. Okay. Pounds yen and pounds dollar have the same message. They are still going up. Just as I said, a pullback or a correction will open up for another buying. The 4 hours, we can see I labeled the 4 hours. This is with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5, I cannot say whether it is over. We may get a correction, or we may get a continuous buying. Then when it comes around 149, then the pullback or correction will happen. So for now, no selling signal right now. Okay, so this the move from here will likely end at 149 or 150. I don't know, but all I'm saying that selling is around the corner, but not just now. I have to see a sell setup before I sell. On the 1 hour, you can see 1 hour is trying to tell us that we must have a sell, but this move alone is not enough, because when this happened, I thought maybe we have a correction and selling continue. It didn't happen. So that you see a little move doesn't mean that the trend has changed. Though this move is big, before we get this ABC, because this very move is sharp but not that big. All these are signs that the market is about to change direction. But nevertheless, I'm not selling now. I may consider selling if the market keeps coming down and close above here and below. Sorry, close below here and below this trend line. That's when I will think about That's where I begin to look about sell sector, but for now, it's buying all the way. Pound chef is still buying. My forecast is that we're going to get to 1.28, 1.29 before we talk about selling. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, you can see 4 hours. You can see 4 hours. The buying is strong. So the wave 5, I don't know if it has ended or not. This is wave 1, 2, 3 is somewhere here. In that wave 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 might have ended. We get a correction to continue to buy on this degree, or maybe it will still go up somewhere before we have a correction and complete the move. But for now, pound space, selling nowhere, only buying I can see. But just don't just get into buy from here. All right. And 1 hour you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 will likely still go up. We will still have a more buying before we get a correction, before the continuation. So what I'm saying is that to buy from here, you have to be careful, because I can see that the buyers are getting weak. Okay. Pound card. Pound card is forming something like triangle. So, and if it will be a triangle, then it will be a nice trade, because after the triangle we will have a good sell. But for now, what we have is that this is a big wave 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5 is forming. The 5 might not be over yet, or it might have ended here. The only thing that makes me believe that it have ended here is what will happen this place. You tell me whether it have ended here or not. But I think the 1 hour chart is here. Let me check. Okay, the 1 hour chart here is here. So you can see the end of wave 4, and this wave 5. There's no good reason. There's no the price movement here. Make it difficult to label 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah. But all I can see that after this impulse, we have a very ugly, shapeless correction. Then this is a nice correction. This is an impulse. This is a correction, and this is another impulse. And we can see this move is strong, and the way it is moving here, it shows that it will drop further. But what I cannot know, whether it will come to this trend line, or maybe it will come a little below here and complete the move, if the move is not yet over. So, but be patient to wait. Rather than buying from here, I suggest to sell from here and target here. But if you see that, if you get a kind of rejection from here, you close the trade on break even or with little profit. But buying from here, not so. This structure is not so nice to buy from here, unless we get a bounce from here that prove that the buying will still go on. Okay, this is only the pounds pair I can see a reason to buy. Others are pointing up the north. Okay, pounds AUD. Pounds AUD. This is another pounds pair I'm getting ready to buy. Okay, this is with 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Inside the 5th wave, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all this move is with 1 in a bigger time frame. So now this wave 2 is perfectly in line with Elliott wave count. You can see it is doing what we call double correction. You can see wave WXY. This is a zigzag. I label it A. You can see another WXY. I label it B. And wave C is coming down. So what I expect is that this wave C will come down in 5 waves. Okay. So let me go to 1 hour chart to see it clearer. So in 1 hour chart you can see that this very move is moving in 5 waves. This is wave 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting to have A, B, C or WXY, which will be wave 4 and 5. So my target is to buy pounds AUD around this box, unless something happens that invalidates my count. But I warmed up for buying, and the buying will not just be few. It will be a long-term trade, because if I buy, my target will be very, very high, very, very high, above. It might be above 2.0. Okay, but for now, let's finish the trade here first. Pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand might have ended this movement. You might have some reason to sell. Okay. So if you watch this price move from here anywhere, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. Then you can see the wave 5. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though sometimes you don't get a perfect wave analysis, a perfect wave in price movement. This very move is not good to count it 1, ABC, 2, 3, 4, 5. This very move is not good to be 4. I mean to be 3, 4, 5. That's why I didn't label it. But sometimes markets do that and keep going the other way. And this very move is very big. It's very big enough to change direction, at least momentarily. So I'm looking for sell on pounds New Zealand. That's what I'm trying to let you know. I'm looking for sell, because with this to buy, I'm doubtful about buying pounds New Zealand. So on the 1 hour, you can see how far it has gone. This is a very nice move, and this is 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for 4 and 5 here. And this will be with A, then with B will happen somewhere here, and C will come down here before we talk about buying. So what I say that buying will likely happen when price comes near this place. Then we talk about buying. But for now, selling is all I can see. Euro pounds, a funny and confusing pair to trade. To me, anyway, I don't know about you. Maybe it's your favorite, but for me, not my favorite. But I'll be saying that I would like to trade this. This will still happen again. This is what I would like to trade. This type of move. I pray that I will catch it when it will move. So for now, you remember last time I did an analysis, the market was here, and I told you that I expected to come to this very trend line, and it is almost here. So if I get a reasonable buying, if I see a reasonable buying sign, then I will enter buy and target if this will happen now, or it will see delay. but at least when the buying starts, this type of move might happen. Even if it is not as big as this, but this type of move might happen. So what I'm saying is that I'm not looking for sell on it. But the only time I sold this pair, I think it is when it was here. I've forgotten, but I sold this sometimes. But the way it's moving, I don't like it, and I closed it. Okay, pounds the 4 hours. You can see the 4 hour chart on the pair. This is 1, 2. All this move is 3. I'm looking for 4 and 5. Maybe the trend line will be broken a little or a pierce before the market turns to buying. 1 hour chart, I don't label it. All I can see is that whenever I see price breaks this place, when price moves sharply and break this place, it's likely that the buying have started here. But if it keeps going down, I will ignore buying from here. It means that where I will buy will be deeper than where it is now. Pounds rand. All I can see is buying. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1, and this is A, B, C, which is 2. It's a zigzag. Then what else I'm looking for is wave 3. Wave 3 is what I'm looking for from here. So it will be a very nice sell to buy. Sorry, if I ever to buy from this price level and close trade around here is a very big money. Let me go to lower time frame. On 4 hours, you can see how I labeled everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1. This is a zigzag A. This is B, and this is C. And after correction, it is another impulse. So this is wave 1. This is 2. One thing is here that wave 2 can start to do a running flat, and if it happens, the market can come to this place before going up. So if you are buying it, your stop loss should be here. First, your stop loss should be here to be safe, because it can even do an expanding flat, which you see this selling continue below this place. But if it comes to break this place, then I will know that this count is not wrong. Maybe is wrong. Maybe we're gonna have WSYXZ. But once here is intact, I'm looking for buying that will break here or cut to this area, correct, and continue going up. 1 hour. Pounds yes. What I see 1 hour is we have started the wave 1. Here is, I didn't label it, but here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's a perfect wave count. That's what I labeled it wave 1. Then this is wave 2. Though wave 2 is not the shape of wave 2 is not that fine or interesting. Nevertheless, or it can be A, B, C, which is contracting flat. So these two might be here, but the point is that it is going up, and I'm not expecting it to come down and break this low or this low. So all I can see that it is buying. Okay, I have got to the end of today's video. Sorry, I can't go further than this. I need to rest. Euro USD, Euro NZ, the Euro CAD, Euro CHF, tomorrow I will find time to do the rest of these pays. Okay, and you know, my analysis is not just for the day. Sometimes it can be valid for 1 week or for days. In my analysis, 4-hour charts and daily is not just for 2 days or 1 day. It is 1 hour that can expire after a day or two. But on other page, you can see it valid even after a week. So I pray I have the time and energy to do some pairs. I will start from real USD and downwards. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like our video, share our video to others, join our Telegram channel, and invite your friends. If you want to learn, you message me from Telegram chat or from WhatsApp link there, and you still have our opportunity to learn with little money. Time will come when I'll change the price. The price I'm getting now is not the price I charged last year. Yeah, I've increased it, but not that much. Okay, God bless you. Have a nice sleep. Bye.